Okay, let's see if we can get your uh, movie video file in discussion board. So in our class, go to discussion board, then go to our discussion board number 1. You're going to want to create new thread. Then down here, you're going to want to do the movie file. I need to bring it over because I have 2 screens. So here it is. You need to figure out what type of file it is based on whatever movie you used. My guess is it's probably a QuickTime video. I'm going to keep this Flash for the time being. What you'll do then is you'll go into Browse My Computer, and you will go down to you probably have a folder called Videos. I'm just going to pop one in. So I'm going to select my video. I'm going to click Open. It's going to take its time. It's going to load it. Hopefully it won't take too long, but it's taking some time. So what will happen is you'll actually, this file /URL will become populated. And what you're going to want to do is once it becomes populated, you're going to want to click your tab button. Once you click your tab button, then these dimensions are going to be filled, and you're going to see probably either a copy of your video, or you're going to see like a yellow box. Okay, once you see the yellow box, then you click Insert, and it will go into your thread, and then you can click Submit, and you will be all set. And I apologize it's taking so long on my computer to load. So you can try this and let me know if it works. If it doesn't, we'll figure something else out. Okay? Thanks a lot. See ya.